Located at the base of Fremont Street is the Plaza Hotel and Casino. The plaza was constructed on the historic site of the first train station in Las Vegas. Many films and TV shows have been featured here throughout the years. Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, a complete look inside the Plaza Hotel and Casino. Las Vegas begins here, baby. Kick it! Here in the lobby of the plaza, there's express check-in if you want to, and a lobby coffee bar. Up next, the food court. The food court options are Manchu Wok, McDonald's, oh I'm loving that, Fresh Mexican Grill, a Subway, and a gift shop with very reasonable prices. My check-in experience at the plaza was great. They accommodated me with free early check-in and a room on the quiet side of the property. There's a hash house a-go-go located between the lobby and the casino floor. And here is Studio 71, a disco-inspired photo space to take selfies. Located on the north side of the casino floor is the Omaha Bar and Lounge, and the Plaza Showroom, the Plaza Rewards Desk, and the Wheel of Fortune Slot Zone. Located on the south side of the casino is the William Hill Sportsbook and the Sportsbook Bar. Also, the South Tower elevators. Take the South Tower elevators to the 5th floor to get to the pool. And here's Pop-Up Pizza, advertised as the best pizza in Las Vegas. I tried a slice and the pepperoni they use is very good. I honestly have to say it's the best pizza in Las Vegas for the price. Located on the east side of the casino floor is the Brian Christopher Slots area. Brian Christopher is the most watched influencer for slot machine videos, and these are his favorite slots. Shout out Brian Christopher. Head up the escalator and you'll find Oscar's Steakhouse and the Plaza Royal Wedding Chapel. On the third floor there's Las Vegas Jerkies and the only bingo room in downtown Las Vegas. Walk down the long hallway and you'll find the Sierra Ballroom and a UPS store at the Plaza UPS Business Center. To get to the pool at the plaza, take the South Tower elevators to the 5th floor. From the pool area, you can get a nice view of downtown Las Vegas. Located right next to the pool area is the Plaza pickleball courts. The plaza has pickleball equipment available to rent, so you can get your pickleball on. I booked a deluxe room at the plaza, which is your standard basic room. There's a small workspace and a small TV. And a handy refrigerator you can actually use with free water in it. And there was a little couch that gave the room a nice touch. The bathroom setup was a little odd. The safe, the closet, and the sink are all together in this little open area. And when you open the door, the bathtub, shower, and toilet are located in a tiny little room. There's barely enough room for one person to fit in here. If you're claustrophobic, you're probably better off staying in a different room. The view from the room was of Main Street Station and the Garage Mahal, which was fine because it was quiet and I got a good night's sleep. I would stay here again for the price, the service, and the comfortable casual vibe of the plaza. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link down in the description below. It's only $3, just a regular coffee with cream and sugar, please. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you'll receive notifications on future videos.